State 3 field conditions under which a disc plow should be used instead of a mold board plow. If the ground is hard, if there are many obstacles in the field, if the soil is sticky or heavy, if there is little organic matter to be turned into the soil, where a rougher seed bed is required, or where the land is liable to erosion. Question 8. State 2 disadvantages of using metal frames in construction of farm buildings. Disadvantages of using metal frames for construction. It is heavy to transport. It is expensive. Requires skills to construct. Question 8b. Give 3 reasons for seasoning timber. Reasons for seasoning timber: to prevent insect damage, to avoid fungal infestation and rotting, to prevent warping, to make it easy to work on, to improve its durability. Question 9. List 4 factors that influence the pass rate of an animal. Degree of excitement, the age of the animal, sex of the animal, psychological status of the animal, activity of the animal. Question 10. State 4 qualities of colostrum which make it suitable for feeding newly born calf. Qualities of a colostrum: it is rich in proteins, vitamins and minerals. It is easily digestible. It contains antibodies which pass immunity from mother to calf. Has laxative effect which clears the first feces. This is done from the calf's digestive system. Question 11. Name 2 dual-purpose breeds of cattle. Red Poll, Simmental. 12. Outline 4 reasons for swarming of bees. Shortages of food and water due to outbreak of disease and parasites, death of queen, unfavorable smell or bad odor, too much noise or death of brood. Question 13. State 4 reasons why steaming up in animal production. State 4 reasons for steaming up in animal production. To produce well-developed young animals with high birth weight, to stimulate the alveolar cells of the udder in order to increase milk yields after calving, to help the cow build up enough body reserves, to give the cow enough energy during pasteurization, to accustom the cow on feeds which will be given during milking. 14. Give 2 causes of high mortality in piglets. Overlaying by the mother, lack of breathing due to failure to remove mucus and nostrils at birth, infection leading to scarring, chilling effects, lack of colostrum after they are born. What is notifiable disease? Notifiable disease is an infectious disease which, once noticed, must be reported to the authorities or government authorities for the purpose of taking action. Name 4 examples of notifiable diseases in livestock: foot and mouth disease, rinderpest, anthrax, river valley fever, Newcastle, avian flu in poultry, and rabies. Question 16. Give 3 reasons why drenching alone is not an effective method of controlling intestinal parasites in livestock. It does not eradicate other stages of development of the parasite. It does not destroy the parasites in the intermediate hosts. It does not destroy parasites in pastures, water, and forage. 17. State 4 qualities of eggs preferred by consumers in the market. Oval in shape, brown in color or white in color, smooth shelled, should be clean, should have average weight of 57 grams. 18. Give 4 light breeds of chicken in poultry rearing. Legons, Akona, Minoka, and Sykes. Section B. 20 marks. Answer all questions in the section in the spaces provided after every question. 19. The illustration below shows different presentation of fetus at the time of birth. Study the illustrations and answer questions that follow. What diagram represents the normal position of a calf at birth? This is diagram J. What term is used to refer to the position shown in diagram K? Signs of pasteurization. State 3 signs of pasteurization in cattle. The udder enlarges, or you can just say full and distal under. The ligament on each side of the tail relax. The vulva enlarges. Clear mucus discharge from the vulva. Thick milky fluid from the teats. A water bag appears and bursts just before calving. Question 20. Observe the tools A, B, and C illustrated below, then answer the questions that follow. Name tools A, B, C, and state the correct use of each tool. A is a sickle. The function is for harvesting small grains and cereal crops, for example, rice, wheat, and millet. B is pruning saw. Pruning, or its functions is pruning or cutting branches, for example, coffee, citrus, and ornamental. Then C is a jack plane. It's for smoothing and clearing up surface. B, state 2 maintenance practice that should be carried out to ensure that tool C is in a good working condition. Tool C is jack plane. So, number 1, the knobs of the handles should be replaced when broken. Check and replace any worn out parts of a plane. Plane iron and cap iron require replacement when worn out. Cutting edge of the plane iron should be sharpened on an oil stone when blunt. The plane should be laid on its side at the workbench when not in use. After work, the plane iron is drawn back and the plane placed on its side in the tool rack. Question 21. The diagram below represents poultry keeping structure. Identify the structure. The structure is a poultry fold structure. Identify the part labeled U. That is a wheel. State the maintenance carried out on the structure illustrated above. The maintenance is you repair broken parts. You move the folds to a fresh ground to reduce buildup of disease and to keep hygiene. You also move it to a fresh ground to produce fresh grass and avoid accumulation of droppings and to get fresh grass. Question 22. The diagrams K, L, M, N below Show 4 possible ways of drawing milk from the teat of a cow during milking. KLMN. Which diagram shows the proper way of drawing milk? Yes, that is diagram N. This is N. That is the proper way. B. How long should it take to milk a cow from the start to the end of milking? So is 5 to 8 minutes. Question C. How would a milkman ensure that no milk remains in the udder at the end of milking? This is by massaging the udder and stripping out milk from the teats. Question D. Give 2 practices carried out on milk immediately after milking. Immediately after milking, there is weighing, there is filtering, or you can call it sieving, and there is cooling.